What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Broken Buck Garage. We got the blue 02 GT out here. We got a new camera thing for it. We're going to be testing out, see if we can't get some track videos with it, so you guys can actually see what's going on up there. Hopefully that works out good. Got that from the TikTok shop actually for like 10 bucks. And then when we get back, we got some new seats for the 04 GT, which is sitting back here still. We got to get some work done to this eventually, but it's kind of at the bottom of the list because I don't even know what it needs. We got these tan seats. I think they out of an older Mustang, like probably like a 94 or something, but it kind of matches the interior better than black ones. We just don't got seat brackets for them. I still need to get a passenger one, but I'll show you. I'll just take the one off of the seat that was in the blue car. I'll just take this seat bracket off this black seat, and then I'm gonna keep the seat still in case we ever want to redo it and use it for a car, because you never know if we'll get a different Mustang or something. But we'll use that for the driver for now, and then we'll go up to the junkyard eventually and get one for the passenger seat. Bronco's sitting in here pretty. That needs alignment, and I think we got a gas leak again, but gotta check into that. Let's go ahead and take the Mustang out for a little drive and see how this camera thing works out, and then we'll come back and get that seat in the black car. Maybe we'll throw a battery in it and see if it'll start up. I haven't started it probably in at least 6 months maybe. So yeah, let's see how this works out. I don't even know if you guys will be able to hear me. I'm probably gonna have to keep the that window up. We don't got the AC working in this car, but that'd be pretty nice right now. Let's go ahead and start it up. Wobbly. We'll leave it there for a second, see how that is, and then I might try to put it on the harness bar, see if it stays a little more sturdy up there. probably go this way and turn around. That looks like a good turnaround spot. Big old driveway. We'll get on it just a little bit here. Too slow, that was 55, 60. Not too bad. Smells like it's burning a little bit of oil. It might be. I don't see no smoke behind it, so I don't think it's that bad. But she does have 164,000 on it. The only thing we've ever done to it was we re-gasket the whole engine, had gaskets, everything. Took it all the way down to a short block. New water pump, oil pump, all that good stuff. Hopefully get it to the track here the next couple weeks. I think 2 weeks from now we'll try to get it to the track and see what kind of time it can put down. It has stock gears, but it has multi headers, a BBK intake, quarter intake, MSD 2-step, which is pretty much stock. So I'm hoping for like low 14s, maybe a really high 13 from like stuff I've been watching what these guys can do. Hopefully we can hit something like that in this one. Do a first to third pull. Not bad. We bumped out there in second. Hoping for something like that at the track. Ready?
Yep.
Cold start. It hasn't started in about 6 months.
Fired right up.
Surprisingly, that black Mustang started up that good after sitting that long, but this seat bracket will not work with this tan one. There's too big of a gap for the back bolts to bolt up to the actual seat, so we're just going to have to find different seat brackets or order some manual ones or something, but that's for another day. We built a nice shelf, got a lot more room in the garage, so we can actually start doing more stuff. I still got to clean this side. That's another big project, but I want to go take the Bronco for alignment. Like I was saying, I went to go take this for alignment, and this was what the clutch does, nothing. So now we need a new slave cylinder, and I'm debating on putting a whole new clutch system in it or just getting the part that it needs. We still have to pull the tranny, I think, to get the slave cylinder on, but yeah, we'll be tearing this apart hopefully this week or next week. Well, this car's been doing good. Hasn't broke on us yet, but I put over 1,000 miles on it since I got my license back so far. That's pretty good. We do need to get wheels, and I'd like to get some coilovers for it and go from there with it. It is leaking some power steering fluid, I think. We might try to figure that out. The oil leak, it had an oil leak last year, like the rear main seal was dripping, but that kind of closed itself back up somehow. We just, hopefully it stays like that. But the track canceled Saturday, so I didn't get to go do that, but hopefully next time we will get them, see what this thing can run. It's not fast or nothing, but it'd be fun to take it down, see what it can do. Give me a like, comment, subscribe. Look forward to seeing you guys once we get that Bronco tore apart and get that clutch figured out so we can get to actually driving that thing and make it to the alignment shop this time. But yep, see you guys for the next one.